Welcome everyone, quick tutorial on how to fix COD mobile audio not working. So what I'm referring to is you can hear some sounds but not all of them. So let's say for example I'm playing a game, I can't hear the shooting sounds, some of the sound effects are not working, others are though. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. You can hear everything is working on my end now because this is what I did. So just go to settings, legal and privacy, and then just tap on log out right here. Also, for some reason, COD Mobile changed my name to a random string of letters and numbers, and I can't change my name in 3 days, so I really don't know what happened now. I was really dumb, but you want to log out, and once you've logged out, what you want to do is you want to tap on this button right here, and then you see right here, delete the latest update. Tap on this, execute repair, and what this will do is it will remove all the update files, and then it will restart the game. You re-download the update files. You don't need to re-download like 10 gigs worth of data like your maps and crap. And once you do that, everything will be fully working. All the sound issues will be fixed. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like. This is what I did personally, so I'm sharing it. Bye.